It's me.
Ako tama
I
yan.
miss you. I want us to be okay. I wish you'd answer my calls and texts, but it's been a mess. And I know I deserve it. Silent treatment. I just want you to know that I'm sorry.
Hey, Twix, you got a hit.
Sorry siya. Gago. Meron pa, may kape.
You were a part of me that I couldn't see. If you call my phone, I ain't gon' let it ring. Mga sugat na hindi pa nag-heal. Pansamantalang pagmamahal sa streets. Yeah, if I'm gon' spin, would you ride with me? If the odds get me, would you cry for me? If I got locked up, would you laugh for me? Pag umabot tayo dyan, baby, slide with me. Yeah, you ain't no silly, but you goofy now. Araw-araw iniisip pag ka bumitaw. Yeah, I'm living life and I'm better now. Kahit ako'y mag-isa, papuntang come up. Raised in the streets, then I realize I ain't need no fucking bitch, I'ma be happy. Raised in the streets, and I realize I ain't need no fucking bitch, I'ma be happy.
Anong ginagawa mo? Pading ka ba?
Nauluan, 22? What the fuck?
Round 5.
I can't believe it. First time, boy.
Namamahal ko ay nabigo. I was so damn back then, hindi ka matino. Mga sulat ko, ikaw ang lihim no. I wasn't faking at all what I said to you. If you come see me, I'm so heartless. Tugging for so long, I'm so heartless. Bitch, look what you done started. Bitch, look what you done started.
Round 1 ka.
Yeah.
Ito yan, pastor yan.